Okay, so today it has arrived, my new Silhouette Cameo 4. So I thought what I'll do is I'll do a video of unboxing it, but obviously at this stage I will be using one hand to take it out of the box because I don't really know where is a good place to actually set the camera up. So let's have a look. So as you can see from the box, this one has more cutting options than the previous versions. Also, it actually has this tray where you can actually put rolls of vinyl in, as opposed to just using the cutting mat. So you can use it with and without the cutting mat. So it has, as it says there, built-in roller feed and the 4 cutting, well, it's like cutting holders on there. So anyway, let's open the box. I'm already registered with a design store. I thought I'd actually download the software before. I had it previously anyway when I had the Cameo. I think I had the Cameo 2. I don't think I had the Cameo 3 because the Cameo 3 had this adapt. Yeah, Cameo 2, as you can just hear Claire's little squeaky voice in the background. So yeah, so I actually bought this from, well, I think I bought it from a Spanish company, but yeah, it's got a Spanish plug on it as well, so that's good.
It didn't come from a Spanish company though.
This one did. And there's the actual holders. So the holders there. I think I've actually still got a cutting blade in a cupboard somewhere from the previous machine I had because I didn't sell it all. Yeah, and you can hear Claire in the background singing. So the Silhouette cutting mat is there. I actually got a few additionals from Amazon which came last week. I'm actually just going to pause this so I can actually take this out of the box because I can't actually do it with one hand. Okay, so let's lift this out of the box. The previous one that I had was a white one. This one I've decided to go for a black one instead. Take packaging off, and there it is. So I'll come back down with the camera. So that's the unit itself. Obviously now got all the little bits of plastic. So as you can see, there's lots of bits of plastic, and this bit here comes out completely, obviously to hold and to not damage the actual unit itself. So that comes out completely. Can't believe actually how many green bits there are. Another one there. This one's actually stopped the cartridge holders from moving. Again, these are where the cartridges go. This one has a double holder, so one is actually for the cutting and the other is actually for if you've got a pen tool or something like that that you want to use for lots of packaging, which is all good. So what I noticed about this unit when I was watching other demos on it is that there is a little section there to actually store your cartridge or your cutter in there, and then you have this pull-out drawer here, which also then allows you, pull that out more, and then these bits actually pop up on either side to allow for the actual roll of vinyl to go in. But you can actually put some bits and pieces in there as well, so you have a little storage area. And then this, if you're just using the cutting mat and you don't actually want to put the whole roll on, then you can actually put the cutting mat into there like so, and then what I also noticed, and was a good little feature, was at the back there is actually a cutting blade on the back, which is here, and if you obviously have your vinyl running all the way through the back, you can actually use the little cutting blade which is down here in the corner and slide it along, and it actually cuts the vinyl rather than having to feed it back through to the front. So yeah, so I'll just finish getting it out and getting all the little bits of plastic off, and then I'll set it up a bit later and give it a demo.